Ransomware attacks have disrupted businesses around the world, from hospitals across Europe to banks in the UK and pipelines in the United States. The evolving threats mean systems, networks, information, customers, and staff need protection. The ability to detect and respond to threats quickly and effectively is crucial. Nevertheless, many businesses lack the understanding, resources, or wherewithal to build a resilient defense against cyber threats. With the expertise of its cybersecurity team, industry-leading technology, and intelligent processes all working together, a managed security service provider can help a business strengthen its cybersecurity capabilities. Expert analysts use specialist tools to protect businesses and help them understand and respond to the threats they face. Simply put, managed security services offer around-the-clock visibility and protection against even the most evasive cyber threats, with enterprise-level security monitoring and threat hunting all combined with the latest threat intelligence. With an increasing reliance on technology, even the most diligent security team can miss vulnerabilities in people, processes, and technology. This can lead to a devastating cyber attack causing reputational, financial, and legal problems. Impact Networking was in the finishing stages of polishing our cybersecurity services when the COVID-19 pandemic hit. With the sudden shift to remote work, companies everywhere, no longer confined by brick and mortar, found themselves unprepared and open to attack through unsecured networks and endpoints. With more than 20 years of managed service provider experience coming from Impact Networking, combined with expert outside-the-box thinking, Dot Security was established to provide advanced, managed security services for businesses of all sizes. Dot Security will operate out of a brand new, state-of-the-art security operations center, from which around-the-clock cybersecurity monitoring and incident response will be provided to our customers. Whenever there's a threat, our team is already assembled with the tools they need to neutralize it. By combining in-house certified experts, intelligent processes, and industry-leading technology solutions, the Security Operations Center was designed to monitor, prevent, detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats. Partnering with a managed security service provider like Dot Security can improve the security posture of your business and enable you to allocate your time and resources to the areas that need it most. And as your security posture becomes stronger, your cyber risk decreases, keeping your business, customers, and employees safe. Dot Security provides intelligent enterprise security solutions and services tailor-made for your business to help you prepare today for the emerging cybersecurity threats of tomorrow. For more information, visit dotsecurity.com.